Hi, this is Dave Philippi with FabCAD, and I have a lot of customers that contact us and ask us, what do you do when you want to submit a drawing to a customer and you don't want them to take it to somebody else? Well, one of the things that we did was we watermarked our drawings, basically setting our logo behind it to basically tell them this is our property, and a ethical competitor, if he sees a drawing with your logo on the back of it, he's not going to use that design in order to present a bid to this customer. So the best way to create a watermark is there's a couple ways of doing it. This one here, this is the logo of Emerald Iron Works, which is in Woodbridge, Virginia. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lighten it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the transparency of this thing. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on one of the hatches here. And you notice that there's a transparency setting here in the hatch ribbon. So I'm going to take this transparency, I'm going to drag it up, say in the mid-80s somewhere. About right there. Okay, I'll close the editor and take a look at it. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now what I want to do is I want to apply this property to the rest of this logo. And the easiest way to do that is to use the Match Properties command, which is here on the ribbon. I also put one up on the Quick Access toolbar at the top. I use that a lot. So I click on this, and that's the property that I want to copy, and then I'm going to go, the destination is going to be the rest of this logo. So I'll just put crossing through all of this and right click, and now everything has the same property, same transparency. Then I'll just move, let me take off snap here. I'm just going to move this down into the drawing. And obviously, you notice when the move command comes up, it goes out to its full low transparency so you can see what's going on. And then I just drop it in right where I want it. And then left click, and it goes back to the transparency. And you can see it in there. It looks pretty cool. So that's the easiest way of doing it. Other ways of doing it is using the draw order command if you want to use a full-fledged logo without doing any transparency. Now here, just give you an example. This is the image you'll see on our Facebook page. So the way we made this work was we used draw order. So if I use draw order and I pick this gradient here and I decide to put it in front, then of course you won't be able to see the gate. So when we put this thing over top, this is what it looked like. So we went ahead and changed the draw order, and we just picked this and we sent it to the back. And now the gate appears. So that's how we did this. And this original logo, which is darker, has been set back behind the gate itself so that the gate shows in front. The lines are in front of this. So this is a darker logo. And if you didn't have the draw order right, then you would not be able to see these lines that the text is now behind. So transparency eliminates all that because it's so clear. You don't really have to worry about draw order because you can see everything. And it still gives you the same watermark effect. Okay, so hopefully that'll help you. And like I said, it does add a little more value to what you're doing because you're saying this is valuable and we're here to protect it. Take care. Bye.